Whether your house is 10 or 50 years old, it may be time for you to top up your existing roof insulation or replace it altogether. Installing roof insulation is a great way to improve comfort, reduce your energy bills, and create a more sustainable home. In this video, we will give some tips on what to consider before buying roof insulation in Australia. The first thing you want to look out for is the quality of your existing insulation. If you've had any issues with rodents, moisture, or mold, it is important to get the insulation removed. Okay, so now we're up in the ceiling, and the first thing you want to look out for is the quality of your existing insulation. So this here is blow-in insulation, and at the moment it's in a clean and dry condition, so we're right to just insulate straight on top of that. Many volume-built homes in Australia only have a thin layer of insulation, so topping this up with another layer of insulation bats is a great way to improve the energy efficiency of your home. The next important step is to check your wiring. If the house was built prior to 1960 and it still has black wiring, then you should get it checked by an electrician before starting the install. Sometimes the outer case becomes brittle and you could get issues with overheating. Some homes won't have any roof insulation at all, as you can see here. Then you can go ahead and measure the space between the joists so you know which insulation to buy. Joist spacings can vary, so check in a couple of sections. Spacings in Australia are usually 450 or 600 millimeters wide. However, you can always cut bats to size. It's also important to check the manhole size. It needs to be about 450 by 450 millimeters to fit the insulation packs. Otherwise, you can remove the roof tiles or metal sheeting to access the roof space. You're now ready to order your insulation online at Pricewise Insulation. If you are topping up existing roof insulation, then we would recommend R4 or R5 bats in Melbourne, Sydney and Adelaide, and R3 or R4 in Brisbane and Perth. This really depends on the thickness of your existing insulation. If your home does not have any insulation, then we would recommend upgrading to a higher R value like R5 or R6. Insulation for a typical residential home has a payback period of less than 4 years, so it is well worth the investment. We hope that this video was helpful. Go and check out our other videos or visit our website for more information.